Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add border in Google Docs. Now for us to add a border in Google Docs, the first thing we're going to do is select the text. Now we're going to go ahead and click Control A and we're going to go ahead and click Format, Paragraph and Styles, and then you should see Borders and Shading. Once you click that one, you have here the positions. Where do you want to put this one? So I'm going to go ahead and put this to all. All right, so to basically all of the parts here, top, bottom, left, and right. Now, from here, you can go ahead and choose, let's say, the thickness of it or the width of it. So let's go ahead with 1.5, and then you have the style, and then you have the color, background color, and then paragraph padding. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and hit apply. And once you do that, you should be able to see here your border. Now take note that you are seeing border here for the entire text because that is what we've chose to do. If you say, for example, do it by page, you can definitely do that as well. You're just going to need to select the entire page. Say, for example, this part right here. Format, paragraph, borders, and then you're going to select all and then 1.5 and basically adjust all here. So if you do that, you can see that now it's going to end where it's supposed to. And yep, that is how you're going to add border in Google Docs.